If you're experiencing issues with Overwatch 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart the battle, net client. Close the battle, net client completely and reopen it. This can refresh the connection and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the battle.net settings and clear the cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the battle.net client and select Run as administrator. This can give the client the necessary permissions to perform updates without interruptions. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can resolve deeper issues that may be preventing the update from completing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and get back to playing Overwatch 2.